This client came to us with a request that he wanted to keep his hairline look 100% natural. So, what we have done is we have kept a significant amount of his original hairline, and now on top of the crown area, now we are placing the hair system with the help of biotape. Biotape is a skin friendly tape which stays on your head for the 2 to 3 weeks. After 2 to 3 weeks, you can change the tape yourself or you can visit Yalla Hair Salon for your monthly servicing. Quality of our tape is so good that it holds the hair system securely. The client was so happy with the results, and the hairline, front hairline was super natural the way he expected. Visit Yalla Hair Salon for your complimentary consultation and hair analysis.